Hello everyone, this is Scarlett. Next, I will introduce my Assignment 3 project, 4-Mouse Monster. Next is about the module development process. First, I built the main frame of 4-Mouse and create the first set of teeth and gums. Then, build a tongue for this mouse. Next, I create the plug-in type of glasses to add the interest. Then, continue to build the teeth, gums, strange tongue, and tongue ring for the next mouse. Next, use similar steps to create components for the mouse 3 and mouse 4 areas. Next, build the legs and shoulders for the 4-Mouse monsters and build a decorative ball for the last tongue. Each group of gums and tongue are connected to the main bodies through a support rod. I separate the module into 19 parts. This is about the parts and their respective dimensions. So what do I want to test? In this assignment, the tightness of the insertions, the printing effect of the mesh surface, the stability of the module, and the degree of coloring of the paint are my biggest concerns. So next, let's take a look at the 4-Mouse monster in reality. First, sand the raw parts of the module with the sandpaper. Fortunately, the printed mesh surface parts showed good results. The second step is to trim off the excess part of the module. The third step is to color the module. It's worth nothing that I learned in advance that using ordinary watercolor pen to color the module is not good, so I specially choose acrylic pen with a thicker material to color the module. However, the colorings was still uneven after the acrylic dried, so I did a second coloring. The final effect is good. Finally, the assembly parts. Since one of the 4-Mouse monster's feet was raised, I used the number 4 tongue as another support point. At first, I was worried about the stability of the final module, but now it seems that its stability is good. Also encountered some problems in the process, like printer calibration deviation. When a 3D printer prints part over 150 mm high, there is a 1.3% error in the Z calibrations. This leads to the 2 mm error in the plug interface and cannot be inserted. So I use the drill to winder the connections, hold and cut some connecting rods that hinder insertions to help the module better combine. Another problem is that the thickness of the pigment is ignored. Although the 0.1 mm tolerance is retained, the pen thickness will hinder the combinations of the module. Therefore, the pen can only be scraped off at the end. That's all for my presentations. Thank you for watching.